we just took the train from Amsterdam to Zaans Schans. I think I'm saying that right. Sounds pretty damn good, so we'll go with that. Anyway, so we just got here, and it's like maybe 15-minute train ride.
Yeah.
Yeah, not bad. We just had to wait for the train, and then it's about a 15-minute ride. So we just got here. We take like 3 steps off of the train, and are just hit with this chocolate smell, like insane. This town has like a chocolate factory, cheese factory, ton of windmills, all sorts of cool stuff. So we're gonna go explore and get some photos. We're up very early. Hopefully do some sunrise photos. So let's see what we can find.
Zaans Schans, the little town, is right here.
Mm-hmm.
All the windmills are along here.
It's like this super cute little charming shopping, well, tourist trap, but it's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it out there in the distance, that smoke billowing out, but that is from one of their chocolate factories here in town, and it smells of chocolate in the entire town. It's pretty awesome.
How cool is this place?
It's pretty awesome. The most of the windmills obviously aren't operating anymore, but once the town is actually open, there's a couple of them that you can go inside and tour for like, one of them's free.
One's free, and I think a couple of them are
like
fees.
€4 or €5, so not terrible.
Pretty cheap.
Yeah, but none of them are actually like operating and really doing anything anymore. I don't think so.
How's it go?
Let's go get some breakfast because we just took photos of all those windmills. This little lake or inlet. It's probably like an inlet of...
I think it's a river.
Okay.
Like, that goes down and makes up part of the canals.
Feel the river. Feel the Rhine. Come on now, it's Germany time. Just kidding, we're in Amsterdam. But that would be the German song.
Feel the rhythm, feel the Rhine.
That's what I said.
Is that what you said?
Yes!
Oh my gosh, I thought you said Rhine.
No, I said Rhine, because German, duh. That's the only way it made sense for me to say it's German.
I know, I was like...
Feel the river, feel the Rhine. Come on now, it's schnitzel time.
Ooh, that's a good one too.
But we're in Amsterdam, so...
So we're gonna feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme. Come on now, it's pancake time.
Yeah.
Let's go to the pancake house.
Pancaker Awesome.
Put a Dutch angle on this real quick.
It's joke sealer.
No, this is totally Lyndsay's joke, and it was
You
just.
give her credit where credit's due.
I do, because it was so funny. She's like, I look back, and all of a sudden, like, you're just laughing, and I'm like, what? She's like, I put a Dutch angle on it.
I just couldn't believe that it took like 3
3
days of being here to realize, like, duh. So pretty. The windmills over there in the distance. Got these awesome, awesome little canals coming through here. super cool stuff. I think this is like the little cheese factory right here. Not 100% positive. Tony taking photos of bridges and stuff.
We have cinnamon, sugar, apple, and a ham and cheese pancake. These look so good.
They really do.
I don't want to eat them.
I do. I do.
Dry now takes from 3 to 4 weeks. Cada madeira, 4 weeks. Coconut roots, right? Stop it, put it on the shot. It's put dry, shoes, polish. Final result, un shoe to fit a child is about 4 years. La meta, spiego para niños de 4 años. Estás hoje pequeno filiado. Both house, looks big. All big. Woodges are big, strong, safe. What's the stuff? Shoes. Bueno, protection. Warm and impermeable. Have warm and fast. Wear them with thick woolen socks. One finger extra room. Eins, jeder Maske. Ein Finger, right? Dann sind sie. So, so it's done. I want to thank you very much for your attention. Have a look around. Have a nice day.
What kind of trees there? What kind of wood? Fixed to the floor.
What you think?
It's freaking crazy.
Yeah. What great timing.
I don't think they make great thieves.
Oh, they'd be so loud.
They'd be so loud.
They couldn't sneak up on you, no.
No, they'd be bad thieves.
Did you see him blow all the water out of the shoe?
It
That was
nuts.
insane.
I assume it has to be wet to be like pliable and
Yes,
stuff. Like,
for them to
and it's probably
tear it
got
off.
the drill inside of it, and it injects water to like clean out
Yes,
the
yeah.
stuff. And so I think that's how it works.
Yeah.
And then the wood has to be wet too to be pliable.
Yeah.
So.
Been recording for 8 minutes. Oh, jeez.
Let's see how that turned out.
That was fun.
Museum.
Bakery Museum. Now watch them bake. Them yum yums. Yeah. I don't care how dumb it is, it got laughs.
So I think these are graham or ginger. But like these little templates are pretty cool.
Yeah, making little cookies.
Yeah. But they're still in there.
Probably not so good to eat, but they're making fresh ones.
I really
so
wish we
will
could.
eat those.
I really wish the GoPro could smell.
Smell-o-vision. Can't come soon enough. I don't want to shop it. Yeah.
But they're out there. You have to trust us.
They there. Do your credit card.